Oh, Fizzy, Phoebe, we need your help!
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Oh, no. Oh, it's all my fault. Don't worry, Ember. You've just lost a few of our belongings. A few? Rah! I've lost your whole house, Wade! Look, Ember, this house looks cool, but a bit slimy. Oh, it's no good. It's locked. Oh no! Oh, this is bad. This is so bad. Uh-oh. Fizzy, Phoebe, we need your help.
All right! A magical house!
Magic?
Yeah! Whatever you're looking for will appear behind these doors.
Whoa, cool! How do we open it?
Slow down, Wade! Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. How can I help? Well, we need to rescue all our belongings, but the house is locked. Alright. Well, let's dig through this squelchy, sticky slime. Whoa, look what's inside. It's
A bee! An alien! A unicorn! No, Phoebe, it's keys. Oh! Yeah, I wouldn't have got that.
Come on, we're running out of time and we need to get all our stuff back.
Awesome sauce! Let's do it! But wait, what door should we open first?
Oh, I know. How about we open the orange door first? Great idea, Ember, but let's get rid of this, green, sticky slime. Whoa, so sticky. Yuck. All right, time to find out what's behind the orange door. Here we go. Whoa! Look at all of this squelchy, gloopy slime. But wait, look! Yay! My favorite smoothie! Delicious! Great job, everyone. All right, let's open another one. Oh, let's open the blue door. Blue like me. All right, time to find out what's behind the blue door.
Whoa! I got splashed!
Sorry, I have a lot of water in my home.
Whoa! Look at this cool fish!
I'm a shark, dude. A shark. Ah! A shark in my waters? Oh, not again. Oh dear. Quickly moving on. Let's see what's behind the green door. Here we go. Whoa! Can you feel that? The ground is shaking. Uh-oh, that's not good. It's a dinosaur! Don't worry, Ember. It's a super cute dinosaur. And look! It's so squishy. Oh, so silly.
Oh, Miss Hands! Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
What about the purple door? I love purple!
Good choice, Phoebe. All right, time to find out what's behind the purple door. I hope it's nothing scary. I think I see something. Whoa! Look how pretty it is. Oh, yay! It's Butter the butterfly. Oh, she lives in my garden.
Wait, Miss Hands! I think there's something else in there!
I think you're right, Fizzy. What is it?
Whoa! That centipede has so many legs!
You're right, Fizzy. And it is so wiggly. Whoa, look at it go. Oh, bye, centipede.
Miss Hands, can we check the yellow door now? Please, 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 please!
Of course we can, Phoebe. All right, I wonder what's... Uh-oh. It looks like something's spilling out of the yellow door. What is it? Oh, it's a lot of, whoa, sticky, yellow, stretchy, wobbly slime. Oh, so squishy. But wait, there was something else. Whoa, it's yellow sparkly glitter. Oh, look at the little baby sparkles. It's so beautiful. Uh-oh, watch out, everyone. Wade's crying again. Oh dear, let's open the final door and quick. Time to find out what's behind. Whoops, the red door. Here we go.
Cake! Yummy! Wait, Phoebe! What is it, Fizzy? That's Wade's cake, silly. Aww, alright.
It's so beautiful.
Wait, you've gotta stop crying. The water, it's getting higher and higher.
Uh-oh, this is a disaster!
Uh-oh, let's swim out of here, and quick!
I just have the best friends ever.
Ah, the shark! It's back! Uh-oh, come on, team. Let's wave goodbye. Right behind you, Fizzy. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, Fizzy. Let's swim.
All together now! Fizzy! Wizzy! Bo Busy Bop!